easy to use, and easily portable integrated headset. The immersive personal 4K cinema is housed in the lightest integrated headset ever built. Designed with twin micro MOLED screens, an intuitive Android OS with Wi-Fi and HDMI capability for seamless connectivity across all your devices. With a 4.5-hour battery life, Cinego is the most engaging way to enjoy your favorite content. The Cinego puts you in your own personal theater and displays a clear, precise, and sharp picture in 4K. You can stream YouTube, Netflix, and any movies you've saved to its internal memory, or connect any gaming system and immerse yourself in everything from your £4 to your Nintendo Switch. Chefman Mini Portable Aerosol. The Chefman Aerosol personal fridge and warmer keeps your food and drinks the perfect temperature while at home and on the go. The ultimate versatile cooler. This mini fridge goes from cooling to heating with just the flip of a switch. Cools up to 32 degrees Fahrenheit below ambient temperature and warms up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit in an ambient temperature of 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Compact space-saving design and lightweight features make it easy to take with you anywhere, yet can still fit your needs. 4-liter capacity chills 612 ounces. Cans, while a removable shelf makes it easy to store milk, juice, yogurt, bottles, smoothies, cheese, fruit, coffee, soup, and many more home-cooked meals or beverages. Label maker. Smarter and smaller compared with the traditional label makers, this portable label maker is smaller and smarter. Compact and lovely design, and you can take it into your pocket and print high-quality labels and stickers anytime, anywhere. The label maker machines are used widely in organizing home supplies, classifying cosmetics items, price-name jewelry tags, jar stickers, school and office files classification, storage, marking, etc. Perfect back-to-school item. What you get? Packaged with a roll of free white label maker tape. It is 15x30 mm and included 210 piece labels. USB cable and manual are also provided. This label maker machine with tape print is inkless and rechargeable, saving you time and money.